won ka so pe bibia bra ye de woko e kwa ye de akwa ifa so ko say we woko kan we aduane gu ye no ye do be ko the same thing also kan won so aduane gu
I see
and a bra ba be shame won do be ken and I'm not as a Kennedy Agyapong if there's an election tomorrow won ko bi and what about say that why slim ni say nyina gu no say akoko nsu abo no wa pon omo wie na bra bo what man say it am na wie te so no one election bi no be preview te say bran champon oda ho nyina wo say second na me di ye third na me di ni ye next election me say Bawumia win me ne won be bo match it dey say no ono nya ne plan no say omo ayama wo say aduane mbo obetima di it is about the next one beti it Kennedy Agyapong the Nyankopon pa na punishing this situation way am wo nya to the way ba wo de oba wase ne bo wo gyan asem wo kakro nim asem wo pese oka wo nim hwe and even board of shen where presidential material wo de nipa na material the president man yesi ko di boni wo ko di yesi ko apon after say at the end but me nya me pe sa na ekoso na election we na me catch NDC for say election we dey so simple on be win na wo kasa omo wo bi omde me kwa na me nua
one yewura Kojo Kyeremanteng eba benante sabre so wo UP plus so but okasa me tell okasa mo kra de ma NDC dan UP plus no am kwaye ye ni ekọ ba ye nyina om akwakoyi Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia sign a Owusu fa hono is he going to bring any change, is he going to bring any effect, what I mean yina om akwayi no obetimi because you turn dada ewo Ghana ha. And don't forget, it says that question maybe Saharuna edune so maybe say NDC enye hu nipa I think 19th December NDC nye hu nipa ye deneba sari pa is he popular, is he going to match Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia or so let's discuss that.
Catch me that some for kwenye so me cheti for any ahwefo nyina etito adwumawura baby obi ancha kese ko ma tell nkanche yeah ora say do agongo me say adwuma every day
yeah
woni bibi
baby
me ko fa NPP asem say ba na me na me emarewo sanke in opposition then at least Moses says 8 years and econo. Ano many Fred if 92 by the Sanya shifting on me a deco. But after the idea called the Bible, wait about 8 years. The Omwako for Bay, about 8 years.
And China, Minabo, Francis Adeni, Motin come.
Wait, we touch him to my brother and BBA. Menena to your bumpy see and Yago did the Abu BBA together. Wonderful. We penny watches of Buakalabi or Bubia. 10 people into 2 years, papa. And I got like a matia fimwa, and the probably I'm only a denman and castle lady. Because a ne, when this guy and find your my munti, and untia, Omamoko ye 1 2 3 could ye, what check here, Scasimta Mamudu, and NPP Nanum the call. Okay. Now, in the Emma, let me net to me not all say, and come by you before Frockake. Then come in this in Pukakra. Because infants who you brand a champion. The dent one who dent a crowd 1 whole day. But I know also, and they made my catch also by be a situation qui, and I'll show Mampani John the money, Mamma. Do I share damn now water to no dear? The baby away we what must say? Do the boys and I should shower water to near Mano? Be beyond a quam, what's idea? Minia, a bed in Tino, so for Jesus Christ, grab a frag by a bed in Saint People bit my winning. It did not make sure bit you will be a Sabian Yard. Age was branch up, I think 51 52.
Yeah,
and in Kabia, or by 3 or 4 times. No do 73 na Akufo Addo the win ni bi na bi aboa owura Kennedy Agyapong da me mamu ya aware second Agyapong to abama na nya de ono on timi nya hwe and to be difficult
kana
o can lead the election na make a kire
on timi nya hwe
tape e be bo ama no an kran bo be affecting ni wono ani ni sunsun kran be affect an be wu before the election
tape
that be adoso na won sam ne doso
oh apart from emotional intelligence problem wa aya ne bufo kasa
wanyema bebre
sa
na o ka say so man wey serious go am sorry issues no sa cases no says don't know your recording fin some the bar say o ka so ka ta recording no
yeah but said we have police, we have the CID, we have this investigation
now we say somebody be on metimi da ho na to see yen kai yen criminal cases emu da wo assembly ba yen hu say person we be na kofa criminal cases about the baba we
oh sa
na man say wa bato aye kwakotu woni Ghana asofofo nyina nya problem woni wo emma wo Ghana nyina nya na wo bia wo president dey say be nya do wotimi do ba simple edi atem abonten there be oni man be on my yen come and do some pencil tis a candidate na nge na me yan wan say na mfi so mbe pe obi foforo bi e na ba be frɛ
obi foforo te se hwan ya
na say ne kaka me ensa omo ko election metuma ka chose nipa mienu a na omo yiso omo na be yie because we dey ono me man ya we education minister no ono out of the system
adentia
ko education crown even the code mpoko di ne secretary man crofo bi di ye niam basa honum e no ono ampo ni di mi na mpo enche so ope bibi ba na ka branch champion Kwabena Agyapong two of them and no betima ko wotima say na Kwabena so
una wa party ni mu ache Kwabena so na me do esuko kakra on ho but say during President Kufuor's tenure in office no ensemba komienu bi ekokọ so ne ade
Kwabena problem wo Kwabena hu ni sa no was snobbish to the party ni mu no and Kwabena as one no na me papa ye a lawyer no a judge and me stand on different from Kwabena should be no otchere po ene ya and on will be kasa hu nipa no say onye class from onye class to nya kran ko chanka social gloves it Kwabena do no dey automatically but see en kasa party mu bre party mu adwuma omom ko obi ene
obetimo but general secretary pay
ko see say the general secretary timi tena ho e ma nanado timi di asam to omo so e pam wo mu nyina at the end of the day ko di court mpo omra court mpo ni anya ho asempo ko ye hu de ko see ye em ye no ye general secretary party Kwabena Agyapong adwuma ye party ene ende me ka metima sorry ama no omom ko enyo bia no betina compare Kwabena but ye adwuma party mu che obi a
according to research kakra me ye no almost say he touched the base you not ne one way wo form no pa so
yeah ben no
time or ye general secretary sana me matem
general secretary how many months how many years
or for how long one free party
and me busan wanya nche upon say party no 24 hours Kwabena na ye adwuma ba bi bebre even on one team football club your friend Bratton Stars Legon Star Village na me me manage team leader
okay
yeah anti Kwabena na adwuma ba on ni hawa ni do si niema na make ka no otima se Kwabena chenye ego ni niema na Kwabena ebre ne wanse nkofobia omom ko papa ye nyina platforms on kasa de be ye bia no Kwabena woni nyina acha omom ko ni nyina
si jam se sika kasa sin bibia
na me se wiase de se Nyankopon be ma na hia ni wanya nkwa tentin kwanku na ko ba bi o be hia sa na nam sa woni hwe enke owu mfa ne ko
but life is everything nkwa tentin ye
dabi
omu ya onim ni abenya kojo
akina me ka wan wojima no esibonne so ba nyina ko di be 80 years na even ba bia do to betum pa eden wo sorry outside wadi wo am sada bia nyame be nyambe ko mfro ne ko me wotima se na Kwabena na wo ka se me wo focus ayi adeni mo sadeni mo kretika na nkofo ni bi kra na mo de ko ye na se na no wo de multiply nipa 200,000 omo nko to aba no multiply 700 ema obia we are ska branch champion to go about
140 million Ghana cedis
sika wo to go about e da do se metu ato Greater Accra we are no afane sa wono so no wakasi ne bo se obia ne campaign no pe na manage na de ono pe na manage ti ska we ka deni mo obia o mu half friend po election bi anko be 21st because ne kasa ne bibia anko woni ba woni ska wontimi nko woni man ye
oni ska wasem
sa etimi ni adame kan election ko ye me dia me yansa sa kofa Bawumia ba aman this for no kran kofa nan ka abi on be shom bo yo mu shom bi bi anya match wey na Bawumia dia how na betimi no how no timi sa right we betimi Bawumia collection bi ti no what
do you think say who Bawumia say or you light or you heavyweight or need weight what makes you think so
Bawumia there's a Togo ko wake up wouldn't so qualify group stage wouldn't and pass on to qualify what am I say sana kokwe na Bawumia semba ko ben o kan otimidi so asemba ko bia na Bawumia kan otimidi so bibia Bawumia
but you want mo aba wo so pray first second third time asanya me ye omo adum omo be di president
omo niema na omo ye nyina wo Bawumia election ko ye mpo what the previous one no ko ye no one percentage onya ye anyway one Bawumia dia saba Bawumia election wo ko amani atua nyina e bia de ba fom mfa nkwana nim first one onya say we onya say 56 first one onya 61 fourth man say but about 56 ni Akufo Addo election call ye one president Mahama election call Akufo Addo nya so the man no say what gu what nipa to 2 million to gu ya na meboa it is say nipa go na de collection and one onye obi say ye man no e kwaya Bawumia be fa Ghana sebs atama na NPP opposition Alisa hotel every day be actually 2 weeks lectures or nipa call and chechemu na de ba arechemu an ye wo ni mu na bia na ye di na chi
tata na me original FM and na me home time bia
yeah gini because what council so what you say by the man as a practical person no or then your friend the economy you beto abampo friend for so ma afia by recording am here obi onya ITO but digital ho na ni kire so so anim hwe fa ho no eti Bawumia ye obi asabia mu bi sabia wo betin za na ba election hwe nsem o ka ye nyina hwe na no nsem o ka fa Akufo Addo amamu se dia na oba beton election wo ba na Akufo Addo sei o ba election o mampani Akufo amamu papa na obu ye no mampani Akufo na nya kra na ye pa o obe fa amamu ri fi baabi ko du baabi pa na ye entu gina wo kana sama mampani Akufo tam wo fie kra na ye bro bosia eniyema ko gas se ni adbre fie ni abesesa wo fie ama ni adade eniyema ko so kama wo yi akwan kese ni ade na botomu asesa de wo mampani Mahamadu o ye na ekoi eniyema kama eniyema ba fom ayi na Akufo Addo ba yi omo ya so a politician first at the same time anya no credit mo ba fight a dollar city to dollar for na nu 4 cedi but dem for the 4 cedis mo ntwa fa ma 380 mpo mo de koya na mko gya na ko do 17 years ay NDC ba ba fa 15 sata na ba 15 to 16 o ba fa na o de ba say o de about 10 what am I say one for mo de ba from o ba fa petrol 1 liter say o fa ni cheap o de koya ko do 23 24 per liter because 23 joma mambaye and the petrol liter is saying one also so about when 9 point something and ne ka bia nya bia ya fele food tank fele it you compare nya amamo we ni koye enti dia na obe be gina so as a presidential candidate na waton na ye minua NPP wo position ko papa na me am de say we ni ebeboa ma omani nyina me say NPP dey begu because now check here onipa na ko election na Sammy me de pa Kennedy Agyapong dey to ne na no 23 no me de pa se to ne sa Kennedy Agyapong to no mpe president bi adi o emra say onim say gang ni nyina against Kojo Kyeremanteng emra mu say Bawumia e wo north one ba south ni ade no Kyeremanteng betuma wini Akufo Addo dey for ya o topic get up papa obegu party no and mo pay obi o ha no my popular kakra all of a sudden it is cancel or election election one boy be one so the president ya dade na one pay position then ye mo ko da na asa hye ni ma kan ba be so mu yum nya cancel on tiase and okoto so no na champion edru ba bi sa tamana nipa 5 ye twa so aba form no so ka na yi nipa 5 no
me kai pa
omo ko tena dem hye mo ntonkwa na we mu ntonkwa na Kyeremanteng nya bi na ngu na ni mu ase omo ye ni nyina chi
ana Ken ka ho
bi
but me say because me so me wo enkrofobia me ni momo a na kire say Ken ebeyalan papa
na sem say one on one I had to say afanyoma Ken with the last election was one down for number 1 and Ken as soon as I know support Bawumia well you can so palanche Matias but was important
but Ken no ni Alan you very close by
what can who no mudi e boni enti first one when you pass our presidential BBL show down there that na what baba say nipa later no who say no ade na go fund me call you no say metima be di ade nanim enti afa de na ni ambre so person candidate and almost at transit akwa we say e boni buga and e ko pe bre champion brand to onye pass up election bi ako won cast up bibia bra ye de okọ akwa ye de akwa ifa so okọ say we okọ kan we aduane gu ye no ye do be ko the same thing so kan won so aduane gu
I see
and a brand ba be shame won do be Ken and I'm not as Kennedy Agyapong if there's an election tomorrow won ko bi and what about say that why slim ni say nyina gu no say akoko nsu abo no wa pon omo awie na brabo what man say it om na wie te say no one election bi no be premium te say brand champion oda ho nyina wo say second na me di ye third na me di ni ye next election minister Bawumia win me ne won bebo match it dey say no ono nya ne plan no say omo ayama won say aduane bo obetima di it is about the next one beti it Kennedy Agyapong the nyankopon pa na punishing this situation way am wonya to the way ba wo de oba wase ne bo wo gyan asem wo kakro ni asem wo pese oka wonim hwe and even board of shen where presidential material would ye nipa na material the president man yesi ko di boni o ko di yesi ko apon after say at the end pete me nya me pe sa na ekoso na election we na me catch NDC for say election we dey so simple on be win na wo ka say omo wo obi omo de me ko na me nua ma me nka bibi ma enkire o NDC candidates omo no e do so and say ba me catch e kwa na ewo mu no otafiga third time no I just e betu abaso say your mama nko biem it's so simple so be ko biem constitution ankasa na omo yembo no omo anhye ne ye etimi no ka say your mama mamu a obu ni kama eti wo kina say me ma so no ma Supreme Court so me interpretation about this one because me say the Supreme Court the battle between ko be a referendum keke
but say John ankasa onko bi
no the John the first one John ka say onko biem John lusu baako no also no nkoleche biem yem mbrante ne maba ye force John ma ne bai so be the president
anti mo betumi aforce John ma John
no but they be check constitution no say we na say referendum kwa de be to ba no
mo check constitution na constitution no John say onko biem ma ko be
because ono dia oboa
no say John dey to aso
na say amamo we ko ye ma me chere woni bibi so on players egu Liverpool players ni agogo so mutimi nche go ana nkitinkiti bi egu bi Barcelona hu se nkitinkiti bi omu yo bi aba coach ni hihye ne yedi koyie ebeto abata mamu na ekoyie no enye nkrofo enye bibi o John de wa hihye boys na omu boss adwuma no emrante na ebo adwuma no bi enu se bebre wa bonten obi ti agric minister Matthew so lezini pabwa
honorable Eric Opoku
o lezini pabwa we fantastic fine gentleman ka say o economy obi obi timi no debate wo ya de ne ko agric no enaduane food inflation that from say bem the BF candidate like this Eric Opoku personality obi bia wo de ne ko anko number 1 by yen trying da wo yen testing the ministry of the minister perfect enti ade na ese ekoto chacha ewo bi onko da bi ebetima test constitution na check constitution say ABCD yakwa ebefam just say John kon tetem now why you team yo wakam yo ni ade bibia da fam say bem ye nkonko ye na obi akodu obi atom obi
la na me monte a lot of people any meeting come say kechire asema wukai I don't know say if it's in the public domain but any part do that ba me check bisam say ade na John Mahama si onko biem ese say woko
people
asking that question me say
NDC for ni bia mo ya nema
me ya lawyer enti me nimu so betimi akọ so even and dra na you know be catch them say referendum ya wo kan yan I say referendum na etuma John Dramani Mahama His Excellency esan ko biem
minia and me to catch you would Mahama 2-3 weeks to 1 month petrol be 5 cedis omo make sure say bibia dollar no be say break for here shada mu omo sa yeah, me sorry to make first near or respect him because the bar moment is say mutu me you be make sure the member from be mu aka ho ye no be pe etuti ana ye dwuma obroche na dwuma equal ye nyina pe what man say enti ye nya candidate say
but ono ni sika kakra obeje ni obeto ho no ntu to sa ni o ma no
wo ba obebe yi enu so onyi ni ato enko fo be bia kwa broche bi obi akwa broche be 30 years brought mpotimi to bi yeti kroma atoto proto kroma eti normal e kroma o te mortgage no te ho odi agrope ye pam no yes so bi aniete haruna tenefie enkofo nyina to mu fie enti aya de organ ha
my ade
ya de na ogu Ghana ene e pese amamu we na e baso yi mimi nua mu bebre egu abrochire amamu we de we ko no e flow down a wo mu nya obi amaye ye no bebo match ne pepepe enti joma ma so be ko tetem ne de otafriga right edem perfect
edem wo ho
edem number 1
Owusu aso
awurade Yesu Kristo ne match be na afu say match we Real Madrid in the house of Fukwaba. So be chena jikap no.
Okay.
Na mama call lecture that say nya you better da. Your son dey say results go see say. And once you
Fafa little go boy say Kwajo welcome. Good to hear your voice oh Fafa little go boy. David Agbanyaga say we are the sponsors from Radio Gold reaching out from USA. Send them to Techi Mine. Ken Nelly say Kojo ye boy. More fire. Kojo speak the truth to power. Okay, and also David was idea about and Osha David Wahanam Julie Belinda Obriosi greetings to you all. Okay, Dodo na ba David Bebra ba Dina ba Nasara. Hey, a message is no a from Joseph or say okay, that's okay. Haruna. Yes. My people of the view, especially from the camp of NDC, almost say say NPP and Koyobia de Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ba and the fofulele messages is be brace and the NPP even don't need to campaign. But in politics it has got to do with numbers.
Edi kind mamimbo NPP abaso. So omo elections. That was on Saturday. Yeah. I monitor it. Me monitor it.
Okay.
Because minim say eyedian ya yebeka ho asem. So fata say I should have first-hand information. Now every elections you cannot have 100%. There will be some little infractions and some little problems here and there will be encounter. Now, largely, no, we share near a course. Nature say opposition is very good.
Okay.
Opposition, a good papa.
Opposition is good.
A good ma NPP.
But a good ma NDC.
Well. Met my kasa say opposition. Ututu nyama ye. A chain power. And until make say opposition is good.
Well understood.
Okay, say even internal elections in 2020. Okay, say Kwen Central.
Yeah.
Yatiti obi motadie. Yeah. Even the sitting DC Krayabo.
Okay.
Oko Eastern region, the same thing happened. Because omo abain at the time no. Na obia issuing the muscles. But in opposition, you are humbled. Moses no kurabe relaxing. Your nerves will relax. You will be humbled because the law will catch up with you. So opposition is good. And nothing a very reasonable approach. NPP exhibit high sense of responsibility to show say
because you say you are Christian Tete, you honor the IGP and so many age my pass.
Make us say, okay, say me see the
to Abba since from 1992, Bepim to be IGP Akwaba, IGP Abba, IGP BNU or Budge IGP. Papa, we.
You are Christian Tete,
Onia, near the patron say, Medicain, I can say opposition is good. Because the opposition, not only Ahumbrasia, the law will humble you. So the IGP sent a warning. Say, we need a peaceful country. We need to continue to enjoy
the peace that we have.
The peace that we have. Therefore, no, and you obi internal elections. Nedi ntawatawa ana ntakwa ebe brain peace. So and me po omo abaso because I know that so we share niane amanfo bi mu eka about the elections, the showdowns and what have you know. Nobody will tell you, say, at least the IGP and his men, together with the leadership of NPP, omuyadie. So we commend them for adia omuye. Nemum, what is the implication for Oman Ghana? Oman Ghana would want a responsible opposition. Oman Ghana would want Obia Okasa na ewonimunyam. Obia obe criticize the government so that the people will reason with obi a obekasa no.
Okay.
But se uko ekofa omo a omu ni credibility. Omo a mu enim se asumesi a yekofa bai lacks certain credibility to criticize government. Because if you listen to Omo Kasa and the campaign against themselves, a big bomb, a missile,
the sense
to just to rubbish and clear them from the way of NDC to continue the governance of this country.
Okay.
Okay? Omushasiye na yetie 10 sins of Ken. Yetie 10 sins of Bawumia. Yetie 10 sins of Brian. Any omo. Today as we speak, are those sins been forgiven by Ghanaians or God? That's the question we are asking. Because kase sins are nature say it is only God who can forgive you. Anamibwa. Nyame nko na obetimi eden. Oboni achewo. Nanso no yanim say wudi a your sins are not forgiven. Until you are diseased ana uko your creator that is where you would get to be pardoned. So His Excellency the former Vice President Etiasi, the sins will still follow him. The NDC and the opposition and other parties will remind His Excellency, the former Vice President, of the 10 sins. Bawumia Campaign kaye. Kennedy Agyapong kaye. The party communicators and the factions spoke largely on the sins of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Ye nyina wo eti omangana. Yehu ni ekoso about the economy. Ye nyina nso wa ha. Yehu the famous statement made by His Excellency the former Vice President. Ebedani a household enumtua everybody etu ewonifie. And you can ask anybody what would be the first sins of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, they will tell you. If the what is weaker, if the fundamentals are what? Are weak. The CD
will expose you.
Anamibwa.
Hakanani.
It's a fact. Onuna kaye. And at the time I now oka about it, the indicators of the economy was clear. Let me analyze what was happening at the time. They left, NDC left the dollar 4.5. If your fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. So at the time, His Excellency the former Vice President exited power. What was the dollar CD to dollar rate?
It was close to 17.
Obimuto dollar 20 cedis. Obimuto dollar 20 cedis, and I know those people. Omuto dollar 20 cedis. The black market. I know that. We don't. Yeah, politicians don't use Bank of Ghana rate. I'm telling you, no politician uses Bank of Ghana rate to do politics. Yeah, you see Abuchi, because they tell you say the Bank of Ghana on the rate. Abuchi has the dollar.
Yes, that is true.
What is here? So at the time, His Excellency the former Vice President, now okaka about the economy. No, the dollar, the CD to the dollar was 4 cedis 50 pesos. So before he left power, the Ghanaians will rate him. The Ghanaians will question him when he comes back. With what? The sins. And that is one of the sins.
Okay.
That is one of his sins.
This is not iniquity, neither transgression, but it's a sin.
It's a sin. That's what they said. And you me na me kai.
Okay.
What they say, and it is everywhere. Look, to the extent that the people, I mean the NPP folks, now omuka about how Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia became the leader of the party. I mean the flag bearer of the party at the time. They said it was just largely orchestrated by the elites, not the grassroots.
Yeah.
Na nye grassroots, na panel, na ye the elite of the party. Omo panel. And we saw it manifested after Omo Lucy power. It manifested because the elite today are the elites who didn't want Bawumia to become the flag bearer and the leader of the party. It's the elites. So, Sawuka about a political party that can follow the tradition and make everybody everybody to look stupid. Say, if you don't belong to that class, it is only NPP. And that is why NDC, Yembimu can join NDC and speak for NDC and will vote for NDC. John Dramani Mahama, a contestee, a contestee in 2012, Owusu. But the predecessor, a contestee 3 times. And that's a tradition. And even so, before NPP came to power in 2000, now and the NPP didn't win elections. No more, Oma winning elections only by only NPP vote. Debbie, no, everybody the CPP voted. The Great Alliance. Wakaipa.
Yeah,
the CPP came on board. PNC came on board. UFP came on board. Oh no, Baye. All inclusive governance. So it made Atta Mills to lose the election.
Okay.
In 2004, we saw what happened. Omuko or Brasport to declare say the election was not fair, was not free and fair. Wakai Brasport, and to the extent say that would have been the first history of going to court. Wakai, but for good interventions, we let go of that election. Fast forward in 2008, nobody voted but NDC, and the Ghanaian voted that look, enough is enough. In 2004, in 2008, Nana Akufo Addo came on board, and for the first time in the history of Ghana's politics, used 2 regions to win elections. 2 regions to win elections, and see that it is only the time of Akufo Addo. We force him to use only 2 regions to win elections, Eastern and Ashanti. In 2012, what happened? He lost.
Yeah.
And in 2016, he won. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, I was telling somebody, say, he can only lead NPP, but it will be very difficult to lead Ghana.
Why?
The sins are not forgiven
by
the NPP people.
What about Ghanaians?
I'm saying that it is. They said Ghanaians are not, and NPPs are not Ghanaians.
Oh.
Yes, NDCs are not Ghanaians. The floating voters are not Ghanaians. Otherwise, nobody will lose election and tell people that those in Kumasi, people in Kumasi didn't come out to vote. Are they not Ghanaians?
They are Ghanaians.
So only NDC people, NPP people voted. So if you are telling me, say, Omo to Aba, Kumasi no, we're not Asante region.
NPP was NPP for him.
Good. No munya Ghanaians.
No more them.
So have they forgiven Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia? If yes, let's see.
Okay.
And then also, near Eka Hunse, they would have to challenge the economy with what they left. If indeed the fuel price at the time I know move free abaimono, now 9 cedis, then they have a case. At the time, move free abaimono, na cedi to dollar, now 12 cedis, they would have a case.
Okay.
Until then, they should go to sleep for 36 years.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.